The new Viddyoze is here. Today is November 17th. It is launch day, and I'm going to take you inside the new dashboard behind the scenes. As a Template Club member, I get everything today as a part of it's kind of like a free upgrade if I'm being honest, but if you have not heard of Viddyoze, let's look at the sales page and then we'll go through everything. Currently, you can act now and secure your $67 commercial license, in which case you can get 250 plus stunning Viddyoze templates where you can create unlimited renders for personal and commercial use, unlimited usage rights to personal and client videos. The personal license, they're going to cap that at 30 renders a month, and they're only going to give you 170 stunning Viddyoze templates. So this is the better option. This is a one-time payment, but the Template Club is an upgrade, and it is a recurring $37 per month, which is what I am on. So what is Viddyoze? They've been around for 5 years. They've got 150,000 happy customers and thousands of businesses built. You can get lifetime access during this launch period to their industry-leading software for that small one-time payment down below. And this has been used by the likes of Coca-Cola, Tesla, and ultimately it allows you to make groundbreaking animations and live actions in only 3 clicks. This sales page is masterful. Click the link below and look at it. There's a ton of videos on here. You're going to get a better sense of all the templates, stuff that I'm not going to go over in this video. Just check that out. And again, there's a link in the description. But without further ado, let's actually get into the Template Club. So the Template Club, once you log in, and your dashboard will look different if you only get the one-time payment, because you'll only see, I think, your templates, and then you'll probably see a bunch of upgrade to the Template Club promotional pieces. That is what they're trying to sell you on by giving you that one-time license. I'll be straight with you during this video. I'm going to show you everything I like, everything I don't like. Specifically, let's just go over. There's a lot to process here. So when you log in, you're going to see your stats. I've rendered 257 videos so far, but if we come here, what we'll actually see is that I've got a bunch of videos expiring soon because they only let you keep them, I think, for 30 days. So all these videos, you can see I pretty much use this several times a week, and it will be expiring soon. But let's actually go and look at some of the templates. So up here, we're going to have our templates at the top. We're also going to have our tutorials, and they're going to give you 6 tutorial videos, which I'll show you in a little bit, and they're going to show you how to use everything. So if you are overwhelmed and don't understand how this works or any of that, their tutorial videos will help you with that. It's honestly stupidly simple. All you do is click customize, and then you're going to upload your logo, and then you're going to render it out. So if we do that here, by the way, in my preview video, I was super excited about this library. They brought in all of the photos that I've used, at least recently, which is really cool. But then I went to use it today, and watch this. This made me a little bit frustrated, and I'm going to ding Viddyoze for this. Look at that. Want to store images? You have to upgrade to Template Club Plus for an extra $10 a month. Then you click Find Out More, and then they're going to bring you to the Template Club Plus page, which is coming soon. And they're going to give you a lot more than just that personal library, because at first I was pretty mad, but they're actually going to give you access to some courses and a bunch of additional features, including, I think, the ability to render multiple clips at the same time. So that is, something that I wasn't happy about. But at the same time, if they unleash multiple renders for an extra $10 a month, I'm still not going to be happy, but I might actually pay it. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated on this channel with that, and let's continue on. So again, uploading a photo, it can integrate with Pexels, Unsplash, and Pixabay. All of this is brand new. Now, currently, I don't know what's up with this because when I was doing it, at least, if I select, well, there it goes. Earlier, I was struggling with this, and I don't know if it's because it's launch day. It's not a good day to actually make these templates, if I'm being honest. You're going to need, if you buy this today, you're going to be really excited, and there's our new logo. So if we wanted to come in here, I think we should be able, let's actually select this. We should be able to, that's what's happening. So it takes a while for it to load up, and it's not loading correctly. And again, it's launch day, so I'm not going to bash them for this because this is a proven product that's been around for 5 years, and they've got a ton of people. Like if you come back to the sales page, what you'll see is like they're selling a ton of these all day, verified by Provely. I mean, just this, they're bringing a lot of people into this software. But this right here needs some work, if I'm being perfectly honest. I don't know why. There we go. Now it's working again. So we can do this. We can now click edit though. And this is what I wanted to show you. You can remove the background. So we can go ahead and click that. It'll go ahead and work. But this isn't the best day for me to actually get in here and create a bunch of templates. But there it goes. It's created, or it's removed the background. Now I can click done. The background is, now it's not perfect there, but you saw how easy that was. Then I can click continue. I can change the color of the balloon if I wanted. Let's go with like black. Then I can click continue. Then they're going to ultimately allow you to change up the audio, I think. Currently, this is one of those coming soon features, which can be a little bit frustrating during a launch. But at the same time, this shows, I mean, a lot of work went into this. And I am super excited for what the future of Viddyoze holds. Let's go ahead and preview this out and let's see what our parrot on the hot air balloon will look like. Now these new render templates, I like the way all of this looks, but they're still using their freeze frame renders, which isn't perfect. It would be better if it was a live like an actual render, like in say Premiere Pro or something. And there's our new pretty cool photo from the image, royalty-free image software on top of the balloon. Now it'd be cool if that was an actual video, but this is the patented, for lack of a better word, Viddyoze, the way that they render it out. And then you just simply hit create and you're off to the races. Now let's jump to these tutorials. I'll show you them real quick. There's 6 of them. You get a 40-minute video talking about the transparent animations explained. And then you get several 10-minute videos talking about aspect ratios, logo and title animations, live action animations, as well as how to find the perfect template. And then, of course, they're going to show you how to use that stock image integration and image editing. Now, I haven't gone through any of these tutorials, but I am sure they're good because they actually do a decent job with their insights in teaching you things such as how to make money with these Viddyoze templates. Look at all these sessions. These are free sessions. They're podcasts and videos that they've done. And you can actually save 62% off your template club membership. I don't know what that means. Let's click the link and find out. So here what we'll see is if you join the template club, scroll all the way down. All right, so $37 a month. Yeah, so it is what it is, $37 a month. So whatever they're trying to price that at, it's $37 a month. You're not saving anything because that's been the rate for some time now. Now you can save, I think, if they give you a yearly option, you can get a few months free. You can get a discount at least if you pay up front for the year. And maybe I'll do that if they release this new one. I don't know. My guess is there's just a lot of people in the system. So you got to be patient. Don't judge this. I mean, the first week that you have it, I would point out any issues with their support, but I would not hold it against them because they will work out any kinks or issues. This is a brand new UI, brand new UX, and they've done this in beta, and my guess is they're still going to be working out some of the details, so to speak. But here is our new template library. What we're going to see here is the new ways that we can filter. This honestly looks the exact same. It's just in a different format. It's no longer a drop-down. But up here at the top, we do get a new change. So now they used to only do these landscape videos. So you used to only have the landscape option. Now they have a portrait option, which is going to be for Instagram stories or portrait style videos. My guess, things like TikTok, etc. I mean, portrait videos becoming more and more common for cell phones. And what we'll see is, one more time, I'm going to point it out, a little bit slow today. It won't be this slow in the future, I wouldn't think. But they've also only got 2 pages today. They'll be adding a bunch more in the future. But I think these are actually really good for Instagram stories and for that type of stuff. This was the one that I created earlier just to play around with, an Instagram burn opener. And I really like the way that this looks because, I mean, it's super simple. In fact, I shouldn't do it, but I'm going to click customize and I'm going to show you just how simple it is. So if we click customize, what we'll see is, again, a little bit slow today. but it'll load up, and then we can come in here and we can select our images. We'll do a couple royalty-free ones. And let's just go ahead and select architecture. It'll fetch the images, and then we'll go ahead and bring them in. Pixabay seems to be working. Pexels, I don't think that Pexels it might not be working right this minute. So let's go ahead and select one. Then we can come down here to text. We see our text. We can change our colors. Look at all the color customization options. Then we can come to audio, and we can select, we get a couple of different choices. Plus you get this more tracks. So let's listen to this one. Okay. All right, so that's very techno style, and then this one says ambient electro, so let's try this one. Okay, so a completely different feel. This one's more upbeat, this one's more ambient, which makes sense. So again, this template now, you can get two different kind of templates in one by changing up this audio. Now in the future, I hope they let us upgrade our own audio, but they want this to be push button simple. So my guess is that they're trying to keep it all within their confines, things that they can control. This new image editor though, again, you can click edit. You can change up the image however you want. You can rotate the image if you want. So like this is going to be a portrait style thing. So maybe we want to go portrait with it. And you kind of get the idea. I mean, this is really, really nice. We can also change up the texts, but I don't see currently where that's a feature. So this is one of those things in my video originally, I said that you could change the text. I don't see where that's currently available. They said some of these features would be rolling out over the next few weeks or in the very near future. So going back to the templates, and while this loads, because it does go a little bit slow, this Template Club Plus you can sign up for if you are interested. That's what I'm doing. And we'll just find out. We'll see how it is. We'll make our determination at that point. I do use Viddyoze. It's one of those things where I break even on it the way that I see it. It's a marketing expense for me. I don't make a ton of money off these, but I do use them in client videos, and I also use them for gifts and stuff, and I should be using them a lot more than I currently do. So let's actually look at the square, which this is one of the more exciting things about their new templates. And as they build out more portrait and square templates, to me at least, this becomes a lot better. Because that right there, 30% off with a few pictures, just something really quick and simple like that. Instagram sale, advert, these are like ads for Facebook and stuff. Square format to me is going to work really well on Facebook, this type of animation. They will also work for GIFs. So like this could be a nice GIF that you can put. And one of the secret hacks, which I'll be making more videos on in the future, is to create GIFs with these and then post them in the comment sections of Facebook groups. Don't do it spammy or promotional, but if you do it correctly, such as congratulations, and then you have your logo, people do their own research. You can optimize your Facebook profile to do that type of stuff. Once your offer is clear and concise, you can use Facebook and you can really do some impressive things. Videos can help you with that. If you want to see more videos like that, leave a comment down below and maybe I'll make a better example where I'll take you through the whole process. Without further ado though, I'm going to wrap things up here. This has shown you pretty much everything new as far as I'm concerned. Again, we have our videos up here at the top. This is the one that I made earlier. We can download an MP4 or a GIF. And then we can, upload it wherever. So this is a pretty decent upgrade to Viddyoze. The things that I'm going to knock it for today is, first off, I want to caution you if you pick this up, it is a $67 payment one time, and they give you 250 or so templates. Of those, expect about half of them to be maybe worth it to you, because you're going to get a lot of duplicate templates. So you're going to get like 4 or 5 templates that are social, let's say. So you're going to get the same type of template, but one of them's for Twitter, one's for Instagram, one's for Facebook, etc. So you don't get 200, like once you get the 250 and then you see the template club where you get 1,500 plus or some insane number, you're going to want more. It's just basic marketing psychology. So I do want to point that out, as well as the fact that with this software, you got to be patient with it because they are working out some things. This is a brand new interface, brand new UI. They're also doing a launch on top of the whole thing. So my guess is they'll be bringing a ton of people in. And if you want to pick it up, I've got a link down in the description. I get a commission for it. It's an affiliate link. I appreciate it if you use it. Pretty much anyone's link that you're using online is going to be an affiliate link for this, because this is an affiliate product, and that's why everyone's going to be talking it up like it's the best thing since sliced bread. Hopefully this video's been honest. It's been real. I'm a real user. I'm a template club user, and I've been so since April of this year. As a part of their new dashboard, if we come up here to the top, what we can see is under purchases, we can see our purchase history. So I've been a member of the Template Club since April. I've gotten value out of it, enough to keep my subscription each month. Now it helps that I make videos for local business clients and I do local business marketing. I understand why people might not be able to swing that, and that's why the lifetime $67 payment is a fantastic deal in my opinion. You decide if it's for you or not. I won't be the judge. Hopefully this has been a fair, balanced, honest preview. I'm not even going to call it a review because I'm going to dig more into it in the coming weeks, days, etc. as it speeds up, as it gets better, because today it's a little bit slow. That's the one negative I'll give it, as well as the fact that even though I'm very excited the Template Club is going to get better, it's looking like they're going to have 2 price tiers on it, and you're probably going to have to pay a little bit more. So without further ado, I'm going to get out of here. My name is Scott with aiPROFITz.com. Like this video if it brought you any value. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.